going to turn to Glenn from Inslee. Glenn, we appreciate you watching tonight. How can we help you?
Yes, thank you for taking my call.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Glenn.
My question is, I was in a car accident, and I was ran from the back, and I hired an attorney, but I haven't been able to make any contact with them. I did some therapy appointments, several therapy appointments, but now I call and leave my name and number, my information, and I can't get in contact with them. Is that common not to hear from them? Maybe in a year's time?
Oh, I was going to ask how long it's been. It's been a year?
It's been over a year since I had the accident.
Oh, wow.
Glenn, here's what I would advise you to do is I would get in touch with your attorney's office, and I would make an appointment with your attorney to come down and sit down with that person. And sit down with that person and explain to them the problems that you're having and see if y'all can reach some resolution to those problems. If you can't reach a resolution, I will tell you that hiring an attorney and discharging an attorney is no different than hiring a painter or an auto mechanic. You can discharge an attorney at any time if you're not satisfied with their work or with the way that they're communicating with you. But I would encourage you to first go and try to sit down and talk with them and see if y'all can maybe reach an understanding about when you can get in touch with him and find out about your case. Otherwise, you certainly can discharge him. At that point, you would be free to hire another attorney. Jeremy, what do you think about that?
No, I absolutely agree with you. Sometimes the best thing to do is absolutely to schedule another meeting. I know I frequently am in court 5 days a week, and the only time I can even turn phone calls is sometimes after 5 p.m. And it's just hard to keep up with. If you shoot me an email and I'm in court for 8 hours, it got lost in the other 200, and I apologize deeply for anybody that occurs to, but absolutely see if you can get a hold of an assistant and put it on their calendar.
And I would imagine, gentlemen, that you would encourage him to do that as soon as possible because he mentioned a year. Is there a statute of limitations in a situation like this?
Yeah, in a motor vehicle accident, he has a 2-year window to file a lawsuit. Now, Glenn, that doesn't mean your case has to be resolved. It just means that you have a 2-year window to file a lawsuit, and you definitely don't need to push up against that time frame. So I would encourage you to get in touch with your attorney's office, schedule an appointment, go sit down with them, and see if y'all can work out a system by which you communicate a little better.
Glenn, all the best to you in that situation for sure.